The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Jake Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Exhaust. The unique rear fascia also features centered floating exhaust bezels. This floating design was key to the precise tuning in the exhaust note. The wider rear fender also allows for the larger air intakes required for the car's cooling. Suspension tuning. The Z06 is engineered with specific suspension tuning, including magnetic ride control, larger brakes, which contributes to making the 2023 Corvette Z06 the most track-capable Corvette ever. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Color combinations. The Z06 having 12 available exterior colors, 7 available wheel packages, 7 interior colors, 6 seatbelt choices, 2 interior carbon fiber trim packages, 6 available brake caliper colors. You could have thousands of options to make your Z06 exclusive to you. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Jake Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.